Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Excel has Get and Transform Power Query active and Office is updated. Once done, grab the API endpoint or URL and the API key or OAuth credentials you need. Next, in Excel, choose Data, then Get Data. From other sources, from web, paste the URL. You're starting the live poll now, so keep the credentials handy and pick the authentication type when prompted to move to the next step. Once connected, make sure you select the right authentication, Basic, API Key Header, or OAuth 2, and paste the token when Excel asks. After authentication, use the Power Query Navigator to preview the response. Choose JSON, XML, or table and click Transform Data. Then expand nested records, convert column types, filter out irrelevant rows, and pivot or unpivot fields as needed. This is where you shape the data, so it fits your worksheet and downstream calculations. You finish by loading the cleaned query to a worksheet table or the data model and setting refresh behavior, on open or every 60 minutes, for example. Once loaded, consider Power Automate or Windows Task Scheduler for scheduled polls and store tokens in a secure location. If something breaks, check the most common culprit: expired auth tokens, CORS or firewall blocks, or incorrect header formats. Renew credentials, test the endpoint in Postman, then refresh the query to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.